How to install CapCut or PC in your laptop. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So what you would do first is here, my CapCut is already installed, and this is what you would see for your CapCut in PC. So first what you have to do is go to your Microsoft Store. You can also search it on the start button, and in here just type in CapCut, and in here you can see that my CapCut is already installed. But for you, since it is not installed already in your PC, just click on the install button and follow the instructions, since the instructions are very easy to follow. So once you have installed, you will see this interface of CapCut where you can see your projects. But for you, you will not see since it is your first time, and you can also start creating with the button here.